Hello everyone, welcome again to our new video in the Tech Check series. Today we are going to show you how to install an SSL certificate on cPanel. Let's start with a brief idea of what an SSL certificate is. An SSL certificate is a tiny bit of code on your web server that provides security for online communications. When a web browser contacts your secured website, the SSL certificate enables an encrypted connection between the client and the server. Let's start with our video title, How to Install an SSL Certificate on cPanel. First, check whether the domain is secured by SSL certificate or not. MainVPS.in is not secured by SSL certificate as mentioned as not secured. Follow the given steps to install an SSL certificate on your domain. Open your cPanel portal. Now enter your username and password and click to log in. Search and click SSL or TLS in the security section. Go to the Manage SSL Site option. Click on Browse Certificate. Many pre-SSL generated certificates are available. Select SSL certificate from the list available. Click on Use Certificate. Now, click on Install Certificate. Now the domain is secured by an SSL certificate. We hope you've learned how to enable SSL certificate on a domain. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.